Route 3, Huron River, from the Ypsilanti Transit Center, YTC, inbound to the Blake Transit Center, the BTC. From the stand at the Ypsilanti Transit Center, we're going to continue on Pearl to our stop sign, North Adams, where we will make a right turn. Stop sign and bus stop here at Washington. Continue through on North Adams. At the stop sign is Cross Street. We're going to continue across Cross Street. Stop approaching. A stop near the stop sign at Forest. We're gonna make a right turn. After making a right turn, you're gonna come to Huron. At the stoplight, you're gonna make a left. No stops on Forest. North Huron will become East Huron River. Stoplight is LaForge. This will be a time point. Bus stop approaching. Very popular pickup and destination stop here at LaForge. Crossing LaForge, proceeding on North Huron River Drive. Stop approaching here at Oakwood. Stop approaching. Superior Road is here at the light. There is a stop just on the other side of the intersection. Stop approaching. At the light, we're going to make a right turn. This is Macaulay Drive. To the left is Hewitt Road. Going to make our right turn. Gonna make a left turn onto Elliott. We're gonna take this across all the way around until it meets Macaulay Drive again. Macaulay Drive serves as a horseshoe around the stop approaching around the St. Joe's campus. Emergency Drive is here at the stop sign. We're going to continue straight across on Elliott. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, we're back to Macaulay Drive. Gonna make a right turn. At the stop sign is Howard Holmes Drive. We're gonna make a right turn. This is the main entrance into the hospital. Go through the stop sign here. The next stop sign, we're going to make a left turn. Don't go into the horseshoe ahead. We're going to make the left at the stop sign here, just before the St. Joseph Mercy sign. Keep straight through. Notice our stop coming to view, bus shelter. From there, we're going to continue straight back to Macaulay Drive, where we're going to make a left turn. continue straight through the stop sign. Gonna pass Elliott Drive, continue straight. Stop sign, we're back to Huron River Drive. We're gonna make a right. No stops on this brief stretch. At the stoplight, we're gonna make a left turn back onto Campus Drive. This will take us to the Washtenaw Community College. Making our left onto Campus Drive. You only have to stop if there is a pedestrian in the crosswalk. Otherwise, carefully jog through. I'm gonna go around the horseshoe here. Notice our stop as we share the stop with the number 7. Go through the stop sign and we're going to make a left back onto Huron River Drive. Making our left onto Huron River Drive. There is a stop approaching. Continue straight as this turns into Dixboro. At the end of this bridge, there is a stop approaching. Here you want to get over as soon as you can, and from the center turn lane you're going to make a left turn onto Geddes. Immediately after you turn left on the Geddes Road, there is a stop sign, a bus stop sign. After you have serviced that stop, you must get over to the left immediately because you will be in the right turn lane going on to Michigan Route 23. So as soon as you service that stop, you want to get over as soon as you can and get ready to go into your turnarounds, your turnabouts. So you want to make your turn, service your stop here. Signal to get over as soon and safely as you possibly can. As you get ready to go into your first of 3 turnarounds. This is the first one. Keep me straight on Geddes Road. second one. Concordia College on the left side. As we enter our third one. Continuing straight on Geddes Road. Remember, in Ann Arbor, crosswalk rules state that any pedestrian who is in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way to them. Continuing on Geddes. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the stoplight is Huron Parkway. We want to make a right turn. Stop approaching. Our next bus stop is a cutout stop which services the Huron High School, and this is a time point. Stop approaching. From there you want to get over in your left lane. You're getting ready to make your Michigan U. And then you're going to make a right turn onto Glacier Way. Continuing across Glacier Way. Going to our Michigan U. Then we will make a right turn onto Glacier Way. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. That was our last stop. Gonna continue across Fuller Road here at the light. Crossing Fuller Road, we will service the Veterans Affairs Medical Center. Here at the VA, this is a time point. stop as such. Work our way around the horseshoe drive here at VA. Make our left turn. When we get back to Fuller Road, we will make a left turn here at the stoplight. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. As we approach the light, this is Bonesteel. This is where you will make your right turn if you're doing the 22. Continuing inbound at number 3 down Fuller Road. Stop approaching. Past Cedar Bend Drive. As they stop approaching. On the right, we have Fuller Park. The pool area is a very popular destination during the summer. We're now passing Maiden Lane to the right, East Medical Drive to the left. Stop approaching. Just beyond this traffic light, Fuller becomes Glen. As Fuller veers off to the right. At the next stoplight is Catherine. We will be making a right turn on Catherine. Immediately following the turn, there is a bus stop. Stop. Stop approaching. We're continue on Catherine until we reach the stop sign, which is State Street. At State Street, we will make a left turn. At the stop sign, it's Ann Street. There's the bus stop. Approaching East Huron Street. Just as you pass the intersection, there is a stop on the right side. Roughly mid-block. Note stop. We're gonna make a right-hand turn at this stoplight. It's East Washington. This is a time point. Stop approaching. That is our last stop before we reach the Blake Transit Center. Continue westward on Washington Street through Division here. The next light, 5th Avenue, we'll be making a left turn. Here at Liberty Street. Main post office for Ann Arbor's on the right side. I'm gonna make a right turn on East Williams. And at the traffic light here at 4th Avenue, we will make a right turn. This will conclude the inbound number 3 Huron River from the Ypsilanti Transit Center to the Blake Transit Center.